In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid lines, columns, and rows in Canva. If you've ever struggled to line up text, photos, or elements so everything feels balanced and professional, guides are your best friend. They give you clean, non-printing lines to align your layout, whether you're working on a social post, a presentation, or a flyer. Start in the Canva editor with your design open. Head to the top left and click File. From there, open View Settings, then choose Add Guides. This is where all the alignment magic happens. You'll see preset options that instantly create a structure for your page. For example, 12 columns is great when you want a classic, flexible layout that divides your canvas evenly, perfect for web-style designs or detailed compositions. If you're keeping things simple, try 3 columns, which is handy for clean, minimal layouts, or choose a 3x3 grid to divide your canvas into a neat 9-section grid, which is great for balance arrangements and rule of thirds compositions. If you need something more tailored, select Custom. Here, you can set the exact number of columns and rows you want, as well as the gap between them. The gap is the spacing between each column or row, and it helps you create consistent margins and breathing room. For example, a small gap gives you tighter layouts, while a larger gap feels more open and airy. Adjust these settings until the structure matches your design goals. Once you've picked your preset or set your custom values, click Add Guides. Your canvas will now display the guide so you can align elements precisely. You'll notice how much easier it is to keep text blocks, images, and shapes consistent across your design. Guides don't export or print, so you can be as detailed as you want without worrying about them showing in the final file. At any point, you can return to the same menu to toggle guides on or off. This is useful if you want to quickly preview your design without the lines. You can also lock or unlock them here. Locking prevents accidental adjustments, keeping your layout consistent as you work. When you need to make changes, just unlock and adjust your settings again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.